What I would like to do now is bring on one of the other TTG Pro Trading moderators. Like I said, it is not just me inside of True Trading Group. Okay, there are 9 traders that walk you through every trading day. We answer questions, we provide analysis, market commentary, trade ideas. We answer your questions. We give you all of our real-time trade alerts as well. So you guys know exactly what it is that we're trading. We also tell you what we're going to do before we even do it. So you guys know exactly where our entries and where our orders sit. So without any further ado, I'd like to bring on Jessica Woodard. Everybody give a big ayo.
Ayo, how's it going?
What's up, Jess? How are you? I'm just glad that your son had a ride to school today.
I know, right? I know. He didn't have to ride his bike, so he was pretty impressed. He's like, good, my mom took profit. I didn't have to bike to school today.
So funny. So funny. So those that don't know, Jess is a super mom. Jess is a super mom and finds a way to trade full time while still managing an army of children, and was able to hit a 100% banger today before she had to bring her son to school. Okay. So that is as impressive of a day as you can possibly ask for. And, I talked to everybody on this live stream, Jess, before I brought you on, and we've been red hot inside of chat. Okay. You're talking 7 triple-digit gains in just the last 3 days between a handful of the moderators. It's been an unbelievable week. The volatility has been absolutely crazy, and you nailed one of those triple-digit gains today on Rblx. Walk me through this trade setup, your analysis, your entries, your exits. What can people learn from this? How can they maybe find a trade idea like this going forward? Just an unbelievable trade.
Yeah, absolutely. For those of you that don't know, when I joined True Trading Group, Rblx has always been my baby. I watch it daily and trade it actively. So this wasn't necessarily on my watch list this morning, but I always have it up on the screen. So when we broke down below the previous day's close on Rblx, yesterday I was watching because, are you on the daily, Mike?
I can go to that was the 3-minute. I'll go to the daily though.
Yeah, if you would go to the daily. So yesterday we broke down through the 200-day moving average on Rblx. I was watching to see how we would react after we broke down through that level. You do have a lot of support on Rblx down in this area, down around like 38. So on Rblx, what I wanted to see was for us to get down below 38 and then reject at that level. Okay. So if Mike would take it back intraday, you can see right off the bell, we went up to 38 and we rejected there. Intraday, I got on the mic and I said, hey guys, I'm looking at Rblx. It's struggling to get back above the previous day's close. We rejected at 38 resistance. We're bear flagging for those of you that don't know. If you draw a line from the low of the day up to the previous day's close, we formed a beautiful bear flag there. We flagged there with trade line VWAP, previous day's close, and your 38.2 fib. This is like grade A setup, like every day, all day money. I got on the mic and I told the members I was getting ready to take the trade, where my stop would be, and where I was looking to take my profits. So I entered the trade at 9:46. My entry was 37.48 and my stop loss was 37.75. So I was risking like 25 cents, right? And I knew that if we could break the 100-day moving average, this trade was money. So I even got on the mic and I said, all right, everybody, I entered this trade, but that 100-day moving average really has to break for me to think that we're going to get follow through on this trade. And so we got down into the low of day and I took my first take profit at 37.31. We breached that level and I took profit at 37.09 and I got on the mic and I said, okay, so here it is. We broke the 100-day moving average. Now we're going to look for the downside, right? Like just money all freaking day long. This trade was money. And I was like, all right, guys, taking profit at 36.78. That was the next support level I had. And then 36.14. I split up my last tier into 2 pieces just because of the tremendous follow through. You can see once we got through that 100-day moving average, it was like, see ya. So I split up my last piece into 2 and I took it at 36.14. And then my final take profit was at 310. At the end of the day, I took it at 35.65.
Unreal.
It was a monster. Like, Roblox literally always comes back and is like, all right, Jess, don't leave me. Don't leave me.
Wait, so this is so like 35. Let's see, wait. The entry was 37.41.
Yep. 37.48. So I had 27-cent risk.
27-cent risk, and the final take was 35.68.
65.
35.65. That's $1.83. So you risked 27 cents to make $1.83.
It was a monster.
That is so insane. Is that a 7? That's like is that a 7 to 1? 20?
Almost, yeah, almost. It's like
It's like a 7 to 1.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's so
crazy.
insane.
It's crazy too because, like, briefly, I'll just touch on this, but right before I entered Rblx, I was in the middle of a Sunrun trade, and we were like, I got in that trade right off the bell, which generally I don't do, but I got in right off the bell, and it just sold off, and so I was out of that trade within an hour. And this was one that was on my pre-market watch list. So for those of you who follow that, I post it in the question support tab of our chat room. A lot of members were able to capitalize on this because I said, look for 2075 to be resistance. Literally got in that trade at 2060. And that was a monster too. That was the first hour of the day. So while we're slaying Rblx, we're also like taking final profit on Sunrun short. It was a great day. Both were over 100% gain if you traded options.